TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 134. You get the NASDAQ down 64. S&Ps are down 17. Gold contract trading up $4.10 at $11.92 an ounce. We have silver up 7 cents, $17.21 an ounce. Platinum's off $7 at $9.78 an ounce. Light sweet crude off 50 cents, $52.65 a barrel. Notes, 10-year note up 1 tick, 124.06. 30-year bond down 7 ticks, 150.05. Now, both notes and bonds, folks, last week rejected lower price on the daily, on the weekly, had lighter volume. Bottom line is we'll see whether they can get some strength as they start to move into higher price. King dollar. King dollar up 159 ticks, 100.690. King dollar's having a hard time, folks, holding higher price. Couldn't hold higher price last week. I expect you're going to see the same type of setup out here today. It had been up as much as 400 ticks. Bottom line is that it's fading, and it looks like it's a very large ABC structure on the way down. Good old King dollar wants to move down to the 95 area. Euro, the euro is at 106. And the yen is at 114. We get over and we take a look at the S&Ps. What you have is this, is that all the indices have a fast expansion of volume as they're moving lower today. Now, what's going to be intriguing, of course, is that it's window dressing. So we stay down, you're going to have the volume expand. That's going to get you follow through, and that's going to release quite a bit of information in this market because when you have window dressing, it's a bullish bias. Dow Industrials 19,951. Bottom line, you stay inside this 981 area. That's saying it's going to get down to the other side. And if we get the expansion of volume, that's going to be a huge heads up. The composite, NASDAQ composite, down, fast, furious, all of the above. Now, the composite would have to get back inside 55.64. That's another 30 points down. I don't expect you'll see that today. It might jam all the way down into that point, but that would have to get back inside there first in order to get to lower price. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract out here is trading at $11.92. You've done 35,000 contracts out here. Gold needs more contract volume. Price, yeah, it's building some cars, but it definitely needs more oomph behind this move into higher price. Silver, same type of setup. Silver looks to me like it's setting an ABC structure up. That'll bring it up into this 1895 area. It's a nice setup. Went higher last week, had the volume behind the move, has the volume up at the 1736 area also. Notes, the 10-year note is flat out here. We're trading at 124.06. You're doing the volume, though. 550,000 contracts already. That's saying it's going to do 1.2, 1.3 million contracts. 10-year, that's saying it's building cars to get up to the 125.23 area. Good old King dollar. What do you have with King dollar? King dollar just has a tough time, folks. King dollar last week got up to a high of 100.830, gave it up. This morning, we got up to a high of 101.015, also giving it up. King dollar is going into a couple different areas that have over 60,000 contracts. Bottom line, each and every time they're up into those areas, it gets sold down. It gets sold down pretty quick. So what can you expect out here today? What I expect you're going to see is you're going to see the lower prices continue. The real key is that do you get the expansion of volume? Inside the SPY, the Diamond, the IWM, they're getting the expansion of volume. The Russell 2000, bottom line, really has some major volume and price acceleration happening. Right now, you got it down $21. You're going after the swing point of 1341, and I expect you're going to get that 1341 today. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051. That's 855-750-4051. Or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.